Welcome, in front of me Redmi 12 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin. To do it, firstly you need to open Gallery. So firstly find Gallery application, and here you will see your photos. For example, I have this photo and I want to remove it, and now I have 30 days to recover this photo. After 30 days, photo will be removed permanently from your device without the ability of recovery. So open albums, scroll down and find here trash bin. Choose the photos you want to recover and click restore. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!